Bring it back.
Good afternoon from WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Dwayne.
Panthers, have you taken advantage of the No Zero Zone?
Or are you still wondering what exactly is a no zero zone?
The No Zero Zone is a time dedicated just for you to complete missing assignments, study, or work on project. The main goal is to help you eliminate or prevent any zeros you may have in focus.
The no zero zone takes place every Monday and Thursday during all lunch periods.
There are limited numbers of seats in the room, only 24. If you want the quiet place to study or work on assignments, you need to grab your lunch and head straight to room 4101 to lock in with Miss Foster.
Are you interested in finding out about an ogre named Shrek that finds his swamp overrun by vanished and fairy tale creatures?
And how Shrek embarks on a quest with his new companion Donkey to rescue Princess Fiona from a dragon-guarded tower in exchange for getting his swamp back?
It's a journey of unlikely friendships, self-acceptance, and standing up to those who are prejudiced.
Well, Panthers, Heritage High School Musical Theater class will be putting on Shrek Jr., the musical, on Thursday, November 13th at 4 p.m. and 7 p.m., Friday, November the 14th at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m.
For anyone interested in attending, feel free to come. Tickets are $5 for students and $7 for adults. We can't wait to see you there.
In sports news, our Lady Bowling team fought hard in their state tournament last week.
They trailed 2-0 in the best of 5 series and rallied to make it to a deciding 5th set.
Sadly, they couldn't close it out, and they finished the season as 4th place overall for the entire state of Florida.
Panthers, winter sports officially here at Heritage.
Girls soccer will play against Palm Bay High on Monday, November 10th at 6 p.m.
Boys soccer will play here at Heritage on Monday, November 10th at 7 p.m. They will take on Edgewood Senior High.
Boys soccer also play here at Heritage next Wednesday, November 12th at 7 p.m. They will take on Harmony.
The boys soccer team will finish out the week by playing Friday, November 14th at 7 p.m. This will be an away game as they will travel to Holy Trinity Academy.
Next up is boys basketball. Their season officially begins next Friday, November 14th at 6 p.m. They will play here at Heritage as they take on Brevard Christian.
Heritage, we have an exciting event coming up to highlight everything great that we do here at Heritage.
We will have the Choice Night here at Heritage on Thursday, November 20th at 7:45 to 7:30. On this date, we will showcase our academic and extracurricular programs to help students and families explore the educational options.
These events highlight the different pathways offered by Heritage so families can make informed decisions about where they can choose for their child to attend.
At Heritage High School, families can learn about our academics and various programs, including these shown here.
The goal of the Heritage Choice Night is to connect students' interest in career goals with the programs that best fit their needs.
So Panthers, if you have friends or family members at different high schools that you think that would benefit from attending Heritage High School, then tell them about our Choice Night. That will be happening on November 20th.
In senior news, it's your time to shine. Don't miss out on capturing this amazing achievement with your senior portraits. Your senior year is flying by, but photos will last a lifetime.
Be sure to schedule your portrait session ASAP by calling 321-952-897 or booking online with this link above.
Let's celebrate your accomplishments and make your senior year picture perfect. There's a minimum $25 refundable deposit for each session.
Also in senior news, we have an exciting announcement that Heritage High School Class of 2024 will have a graduation ceremony on Friday, May 22nd.
Miss Dean, go back. She said class of 2024.
No, I said 2026. News, we have an exciting announcement that Heritage High School Class of 2024 will have their graduation ceremony on Friday, May.
Also in senior news, we are excited to announce that the Heritage High School Class of 2026 will have their graduation ceremony on Friday, May 22nd, 2026 at 7 p.m.
Graduation will take place on campus in Heritage Stadium. Each graduate will receive 8 tickets. There will be an opportunity to request additional tickets on the first come, first served basis at a later date.
That's all the news we have for this week. Don't forget, there is no school next Tuesday.
Remember to lock in because Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. You can say it with me. At Heritage High School, families can learn about our academics and various programs, including Academy of Environment. Automotive technology, digital media, electric apprenticeship, entrepreneurship.
Sorry.
Elec-
Electrical apprenticeship. You got this. Sorry.
electrical apprenticeship, entrepreneurship,
Mr. Telephone Man, is something wrong with my... Hey, were you recording that?